Hello everyone, this is Victor, the Director of Content and Compliance at BlueDAG. This video will demonstrate BlueDAG's new grievance intake web form. BlueDAG's Title II software suite subscribers can embed this web form on their agency website. Requesters can then use the form to submit a grievance or reasonable accommodation request. Their submission automatically opens a new case in the Entities Grievances Plus module. The grievance intake web form uses industry-standard JavaScript and can be customized to meet the subscriber's needs. Let's begin. This demonstration web form is hosted on BlueDAG's website. I'll fill in the requester details just like a member of the public would. Note that many fields are required and must be filled out before submission is possible. Here, I can indicate if I'm submitting this request for someone else. Selecting Yes adds a Submitter section to the form. For this demonstration, I'll select No. Now I'll fill in the location information for this request. I can add some notes here to describe the issue or request in more detail. Lastly, I fill in the request details in this section. I'll choose my type of request here. Note that these selections match the available request types in the Grievances module. I can indicate if this is an ADA request here. If I'm not sure, I can choose Undetermined. I'll select the date that the incident occurred. Here, I can describe the nature of my request or grievance. If I have miscellaneous notes or comments, I can type them here. As mentioned before, subscribers can customize this form to change the layout or include additional data fields if desired. The web form also works on a mobile device, such as a tablet or smartphone. I'll submit my request. The confirmation message indicates that my request has been received. Inside my BlueDAG subscriber account, a new case has been created for this submission, and the Grievances Case Manager at my entity has been notified of the new case via email. The Grievances Case Manager is a role I've assigned in my subscriber details. Let's take a look at that now. I'll log into my BlueDAG subscription, click Manage on the left menu bar, then click My Subscriber Details. Now I'll click on the Preferences tab. At the bottom of the screen, I can select a staff member as the Grievances Case Manager. My colleague Josh is currently the Case Manager for Grievances. Let's look at the email notification he received from the system. Here's the email about the new case. The email contains the submitter's name, the current status of the case, and a link to the case in the Grievances system. I'll click the link to open the case in the BlueDAG web portal. On the Grievance Details tab, I can review and edit any of the information related to the case. The intake method is automatically set to web, indicating that this case was submitted via the Grievance Intake web form. Note that the name of the requester is a link. If I click the link, I'm taken to the requester profile for this person. The BlueDAG system checks the requester's name, email address, and phone number with any new requests. It will match the submission to a profile in the system if one exists, or create a new requester profile if no match is found. The Requester Profiles function is covered in another BlueDAG University video, so please check our video library for more information. I'll add some address information to this requester's profile. I'll save my changes. Note that the audit log reflects the changes I just made. Switching back to the Grievance Details tab, we see the updated address information in the Requester Information area. I'll make a few more changes to complete the details of this request. I'll add a note here about the feature type for this request. I'll also set the jurisdiction for the case. Everything else looks good, so I'll click Save to record my changes. A grievance submitted from the intake web form is handled just like one that was entered manually. From the Overview tab, click on the link next to Status. A dialog opens for working on the current step and transitioning to the next step in the workflow. Working with grievances and reasonable accommodations is covered in another BlueDAG University video, so please check our video library for more information. That's it for this overview of the Grievance Intake web form. Please contact us if you have any questions or would like more information. Thanks for watching.